Hello, my name is Will Taylor. I'm a welder fitter here at Globe Machine Manufacturing, and today I'm going to show you guys my PAPR welding system from Lincoln Electric. So this is my powered air purifying respirator. What it does is it sucks in the air around me and blows clean air directly into my hood here. And it has a HEPA filter inside, so there's almost little to no particles or smells or fumes that I end up breathing. So when I'm welding or grinding, there's a lot of fumes or particles that are dispersed into the air. This does a really good job of keeping that off of me and keeping it from entering my respiratory system. It has a grind shield, so I never really have to take it off, so I can see clearly when I'm not welding and doing other things. Normally when I'm welding and I don't use this, a normal hood will allow the smoke to go directly into your, basically into your mouth and your nose. So this particular one I got from a online welding supply store. It ran around $2,200 to $2,300. So that is obviously it's really a pricey thing to have, but when it comes to your health, I feel like it's a worthy investment. All right, so to put this on, I always just grab the harness first. This doesn't fall off. Grab the harness, one arm in. Then I just fasten the belt. Pull the headgear down, so when I put it on, the mask isn't covering my face. And then you can just pull it down, and it's good to go.